Enter ug.edu.gh into your web browser to navigate to the University of Ghana official website. A pop-up window with freshers information will appear. Click on Admissions and select Graduate to proceed. You'll be directed to the graduate admissions page. Scroll down and click on How to Apply. This directs you to the How to Apply window. Scroll down and you'll find separate sections for Ghanaian applicants and international applicants. Click on Ghanaian applicants to proceed. Here, you'll be directed to a portal where you'll be asked to enter your serial number and your unique PIN. Enter your serial number beginning with UG with some digits and enter your unique PIN. When completed, click on Login. After logging in, you'll be directed to a page to begin your application process. Scroll down and answer the questions that follow. Have you ever attended UG or any other university? Select either yes or no. Select the type of program you're applying for and proceed to select your previous tertiary institution attended from the drop-down list. Indicate the year you started, as well as the year you completed your studies. Now, tick the box to confirm that the information provided is accurate. Click Save and Continue. The next section is the Basic Information section. Select your appropriate title. Enter your surname and enter your first name. In addition, select your gender and select your date of birth by choosing the year, the month, and the day in which you were born. Enter your hometown, select the region of your hometown, and indicate your nationality. Also, indicate your country of current residence. Scroll down to specify your religious denomination from the drop-down list. Indicate your marital status and state your number of children, if any. In the Address of Applicant section, enter your address line 1, your address line 2, and your address line 3. Enter your address line 4 if available. Also, indicate your Ghana Post address and your Ghana card number if available. State your street address and enter your mobile phone number. Enter your email address. If your permanent home address is different from the postal address, then complete this section as well. In the Parents, Guardian, or Next of Kin information section, enter the name of your next of kin, their occupation, and the name of the person to contact in case of emergency. Specify your relation to them. Indicate their address, email address, and telephone number. In the Disability Information section, select either yes or no based on your current circumstance. In the Past or Present Employment Information section, states whether you're currently employed by selecting either yes or no and indicates the type or nature of your employment, your employer's name, your employer's address line 1, your employer's telephone number, his or her email address, position, as well as responsibilities in the organization. Now, click Save and Continue. The next section is the Educational Background section. Have you ever been to secondary or high school? Select either yes or no. Select the region of school attended. State the name of the secondary school by selecting it from the drop-down list. Indicates the year you started and the year you ended respectively. Have you ever been to University of Ghana? Select either yes or no. Indicates the degree obtained. Your UG student's number if you ever attended University of Ghana, and indicates whether your name has changed since you completed UG. Enter your hall of residence and indicates whether you're applying with a previous degree obtained from UG. In the first university attended section, state the name of first university attended. Select its country, say the year you started and the year you ended, and enter your student's ID number. Also, indicate the degree obtained. Select the degree classification and your FGPA or its equivalent. If applicable, complete the first university attended section. The program information section, state your offering type. Indicate your degree of choice and indicate your entry year. Also, state the scholarship you hold or expect to hold or how you would finance your study at the university. Next, click Save and Continue. In the Research Information section, provide a brief outline of research or researches you have undertaken, details of any papers or books you have published, and your research interest. In the Professional Qualification or Occupational Background section, state your average monthly compensation plus bonus and allowances. Also, indicate your career objectives. Now, click Save and Continue. In the List of Referees section, click Add New Referee. Select the title of the referee. Indicate the name of your referee. Enter the institution of the referee. State his or her position. Enter his or her telephone number. His or her email. Also, states the period the referee taught or supervised you. And indicates the capacity in which the referee knows you as well as the referee's department. Now click Add Referee again. After the information is saved successfully, click Continue. The next section is the Supporting Documents section. Click Add Supporting Documents. Select the document type. Choose a document. Click Open and click Upload Document. After the information is saved successfully, click Add More Documents again. Click Add Supporting Document. Select the document type. Choose Document. After choosing the document, click Open and click Upload Document. Now click Continue. The next section is the Upload Passport Photo section. Upload your passport photo. Click on Next. The last stage is the Application Summary section. Here, scroll down to review your application summary to ensure that all information is correct. If everything is accurate, click Accept and Complete Application